When you right-click on a cell in Microsoft Excel, you'll see a small toolbar and a menu appear. This toolbar is called the Mini Toolbar. If you hold your mouse pointer over it, you can select text formatting options from the toolbar. You could, for example, select to change the size of the font for the text in this cell by choosing a different size from the font size drop-down list. The features on the Mini Toolbar here are duplicated elsewhere on the ribbon in Microsoft Excel. It's just that the Mini Toolbar gives you access to the kind of tools that you're going to need to use a lot of the time exactly where you are working in a workbook. You can see that we haven't moved away from the page layout tab that we were actually working in, and yet we're able to perform tasks here using the Mini Toolbar that would typically require us to go and use tools that were available on the Home tab of the ribbon. Task panes appear in some instances when you click on a dialog launcher or choose a format option. For example, I have an image here inside this worksheet. If I right-click it and choose Format Picture, the Format Picture task pane appears. It contains tools for formatting an image. Now if I move and select the chart here, notice that the Format Picture tools disappear, and now we're looking at tools for formatting a chart. Other task panes may appear from time to time when you're using other tools in Excel. I'm going to close the task pane for now by clicking its Close button. We'll go back to this cell here that has some text in it. When I right-click the cell, not only does the Mini Toolbar appear, but also this shortcut menu. Exactly what's on the shortcut menu will differ according to what you have selected at the time. For example, if I right-click the image here, I'll see a shortcut menu that contains tools that are relevant to working with images. If I right-click a chart, then the shortcut menu shows chart formatting and chart style tools. For now, let's return to this cell which contains text. I'm going to right-click, and here we'll see tools that relate to working with text. Each of these options looks a little different to the others. You'll see that cut and copy don't have anything to their immediate right. This tells me that as soon as I click one of these commands, it will be executed immediately. So if I were to click copy, immediately the text in this cell will be copied to the Windows clipboard. Here, this Format Cells option has an ellipsis or three little dots beside it. That tells me that if I click this option, a dialog is going to open. The ellipsis is indicative of a dialog. I'll click it, and here is the Format Cells dialog. Filter and Sort have little disclosure triangles opposite them. This tells me that there is a submenu associated with these options. So I would click on the triangle to show the submenu and then choose an option from that submenu. Look out for tools on the shortcut menus and the Mini Toolbars as you're working in Excel. They can often save you a trip to the ribbon when you're working with text, charts, images, and other objects.